you comfort her since then?
No.
Well, why not? She needs comfort and love.
You can comfort her.
She doesn't want me.
She's probably mad because I wasn't here.
Probably.
I thought Dave said, you know that girl's coming.
Yeah.
And I, in my head, I told him, well, tell me when she gets here.
Oh.
But apparently I didn't say that out loud. Apparently. So I was waiting for him to come and tell me that she was here. And then he comes out and says, thanks for the help.
Yeah.
Like,
he
what?
was really struggling with the cat.
Especially Tabby, I guess.
Yeah.
The other ones that he managed to hold them?
He managed, yeah.
Well, that's good because I'd like for him to be able to hold them so that I can clip them.
Yeah. That might actually work better because you're not a stranger.
Yeah, maybe. I kind of showed him. I'll have to show him. He usually leaves when we're doing it because he can't stand to hear him cry, right? He's such a big softie.
And
don't tell anyone.
Hurt Tabby.
Did she?
Yeah. She thinks it was arthritis. She hit arthritis.
In her back?
In her leg.
In her leg?
Yeah.
Poor sweet thing.
Yeah. So like I said, she needs your tender, loving care.
Yeah, because I'm both tender and loving.
For her you are. Not nobody else.
What are you saying, Mom?
I'm saying, I wonder why you're here. What do you...
Well, I'm making a video.
Why? Now?
Right now. He didn't realize I was recording. You look beautiful. You look beautiful. Say hello to all your friends.
Hello, all my friends.
Tell them what you've been up to.
I've been trying to find Dean. Can't find him.
Okay, well, you said you found him on his website, right?
Yeah.
So you'll be able to... So if he sees this video, can contact you.
Yeah, right.
Right?
I don't know that he looks at all your videos. I don't know that he looks at any of your videos.
That could very well be. Did you see that we put dirt in the new...
No.
In the boxes out there?
No. We or David?
David. I helped with the weeding, though. I did a bunch of weeding. I actually, in this front bed here, I over-sowed it with wildflowers. So they're so thick, it's like grass out there. So we pulled a bunch of them out. We got about halfway. I'll have to go out and do the other half.
Well, wildflowers are supposed to be thick and abundant.
Yeah, but I think they still will be. I didn't take them all out. But I took some of them out. I guess I should have let them grow.
Yeah, and then take them out. The ones you don't like.
The ones I don't like?
Yeah. Let the other half of them grow.
Yeah.
And take them out when you don't like them. I don't like that one. That's ugly.
By then they're too big to take out.
Rip them up by the roots.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Throw them on the ground and stomp on them.
I didn't do that.
You should have.
Why?
Because you hate them.
I don't hate them. I just didn't want them there.
You're treating them like you hate them.
I don't hate them. I just didn't want them there.
My slipper's falling off.
Which one?
Never mind.
Which one? This one?
Not that one.
Oh, here, let me help you put that back. Oops. My camera's going all wonky. Sorry, folks.
Elder abuse, folks. She tickles the bottoms of my feet, and I can't grab her. I can't move.
She can't get away.
She chains me down first.
You know how she used to do that to me when I was a baby?
I didn't do that.
She used to like blow on my belly and tickle me and all those things she did when I was a child.
Now she does them to me.
Now I do them to her. It's
Oh,
called
you don't
payback,
blow
Mom.
on
Or
my
karma.
belly.
I don't blow on your belly. Yeah, and that's not going to happen. And I'm hoping we never get to the stage where we're playing peekaboo. Then I'll tickle the crap out of your feet. So I got mail today, and I know what it is, but nobody else in the house does. And I want to show you guys what it is. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love the color. Oh yes. So it's my Survival Seeds t-shirts. So yay. I got teal for me and Mom. Oh, you can see there's some green on there. Oh, and the writing's green. Our community watches each other grow. On the front, it says watching each other grow. Actually, that's in yellow. But anyway, my green screen's cutting it out. But yeah, I got a black one for Dave, and I got a teal one for Mom. Let's go and see what they think. Mute your TV.
Why?
Because I said so.
Who are you?
I'm the boss of you.
Are you filming?
Yes, I am.
Filming is an old word.
Yes, it is.
Are you videotaping? Videoing? Videotaping is a word.
Videotaping is another old word. I am shooting video, yes.
I don't know what words to use these days. Because I'm old.
Okay, well, turn your TV down.
I will. Just let me sit down first.
All right, hurry your butt up.
It's not down yet.
Not down yet? Takes a while, does it?
I'm not kind. But you're right, they are there. I just want to make sure that they're okay.
What are you doing for this for?
Next you'll be leaving your doors unlocked.
We did some the other day with me.
I know.
They were stupid.
We're doing some again with you.
They're stupid too. What are you doing?
I bought you a present.
What did you buy? More time? Did you buy me more time?
No, I didn't buy you more time. Sorry.
What did you buy?
Close your eyes.
Pretty color.
Isn't it?
Is it the right size?
It's extra large.
What does it say? 2024. Community Survival Seeds. Food Security. Watching each other grow. I don't want to grow anymore.
No, you're shrinking now. Turn it over and look at the other side.
Am I supposed to wear this? It's heavy duty.
Well, it needs to be washed.
See, Vineyard Chicks and Lazy Days Ahead and Bushcraft and who's the other guy?
That's it. Lazy Days Ahead with Jesse and Lisa and Bushcraft.
Where's you?
I'm not on there. I'm not hosting it.
Why aren't you?
Oh my gosh, what a lot of work that would be. Well, what a lot of work they're doing. They're doing lives every week. They're
Little one.
watching. I mean, I'm part of the collaboration.
Our community watches each other grow. The
Yes.
kids are growing.
Yes, they
They're
are.
becoming more mature.
Yes, they are. Everybody's getting older.
Those beards are growing.
So, what do you think?
I think they're beautiful. I
Okay.
like them. Are you making them all?
No. No, I didn't make that at all.
Did somebody send it to you?
No, I bought them for us.
You bought them?
Yeah.
Who'd you buy them from?
Some company in the States.
They made them?
They made them. They were designed by Critter Creek. I don't know if it's farm or homestead. Designed them.
Did a good job.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go get Dave's reaction to see his lovely new shirt.
Did he get a lovely new shirt?
Yes.
What color is his?
Black.
Black. Good. Does this look good against black? It would, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, wow. It's going to come down to your elbows anyway. Here, give it to me. I have to take it and wash it.
Good, because it's pretty stiff.
Yeah. You can tell it's never been washed.
I hope it doesn't shrink. You're going to wash it in cold water, aren't you?
No, I'm going to wash it in really hot water and put it in an oven hot dryer, too. Because I don't know how to do laundry.
That way I won't be able to wear it. Yay.
Dingy.
Okay, let me know his reaction.
All right.
I like it. It's very good.
Okay.
They did a good job.
Yes, they did.
Bye now. Are you still videoing?
I'm still videoing. You going to say goodbye again?
Goodbye. See you. Next time I see you, I have to wear that shirt. Vineyard.
You almost said stupid shirt, didn't you? I could tell you were about to say
I
that.
did not say stupid shirt.
Yeah, you almost
No,
did, though.
I was spitting.
You were spitting. You're so full of it.
Saliva on my lips. I'm an aminal.
You're a big fat liar.
I'm
Is
an
what you are. Aminal. Goodbye.
Aminal spit.
Aminal spit or you llama.
Llama.
Ever get angry, you spit at me. I'm leaving you.
Okay.
What?
Mind your present.
I already got t-shirts. It's like, you know, okay, survival seeds. I can get any survival seeds?
Yes, you did.
Where?
They're already planted.
Oh,
Turn it around.
oh, the group. Huh? Well, there's a lot to draw too.
There it is, yeah.
What's this? As extra?
That's extra. Oh, that's from mom, either mom's or ours, or mine. We got teal ones.
No, we got teal ones.
Yeah, you got black because I knew you wouldn't wear teal.
No, probably not.
I need to wash it.
Yes, you do.
It's very stiff.
Yes,
Do you love it?
it's lovely. Yes.
Are you glad you're a survival seeder?
I guess, whatever that is.
I found some heal all.
What?
Heal all.
Heal all?
Yeah.
And what is that?
It's a plant.
Well, isn't that nice?
It's good for lots of stuff.
Is that why they call it heal all?
Yes. As a matter of fact, it heals external wounds and internal wounds.
Oh, I need that stuff.
Yeah. I harvested the seeds. I think I was too late for the plant, but now I can grow it myself.
Well,
And we can survive.
really?
Yeah, that's what survival seeds
I
are all.
comet for crying out loud. Where is the comet?
The comet, it's coming.
Well, you know, I ain't got much time. I ain't patient.
You got all the time in the world, sweet baby.
I want the comet.
You don't always get what you want.
I know it. Jeez, I can wait forever.
Poor baby. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Yeah, you too.
Can you say all the things?
All those things at once?
Yeah.
Probably not.
Can you try?
No.
Can you say bye? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Oh my God, no.
Come on, you can do it.
Bye. Glad you showed up. Whatever.
That's the best you can do,
Yep.
eh?
That's it.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Oh,
Anyway.
goodbye, everybody. Goodbye, Lorrie.
What else do you have to say?
See ya. See you around.
And
subscribe.
and
Hit the like button.
and
Turn your TV off. I got spittle coming out.
It's definitely going in there.
You're necking.
I love you most. Most of all.